Welcome to Miracle Learning Center. Let us take a look at this question on effects of heat. How does heat actually flow? Does heat flow from a hot object to a cold object, or from a cold object to a hot object? So heat actually flows from a hot object to a cold object. So we need to identify which one is the hotter object. So right now, let's look at this question. Peter used two similar metal objects, A and B, made up of the same material, and heated the objects to a temperature of 50 degrees and 25 degrees respectively. He then placed them together in a dish containing a liquid of 25 degrees. So we can see A is 50 degrees, which is the highest temperature, the hottest one, and 25 degrees for B, and Y at 25 degrees, which is lower in temperature than 50. So we can tell that actually A is the hottest object. So which of the following best describes the heat flow immediately after A and B are placed in liquid Y? Does A lose heat to B only? A lose heat to B only? Okay, be careful of the word only, right? Because it's not only to B, it's also to liquid Y. Okay, so this one is wrong because of the word only. B, lose heat to A. No, that is not possible, right? Heat doesn't flow from a lower temperature to a higher temperature. Always from a higher temperature to a lower temperature. So B is not correct. A, lose heat to B and liquid Y. Yes, that's correct because B and liquid Y are at a lower temperature. So this one is possible. How about B? B, lose heat to A. Not possible, right? B will gain heat from A. Okay? And Y, lose heat to A. Also not possible. Y will gain heat from A. So the answer is 3. Thank you for joining us. Join us for the next video for more questions on heat. Thank you for subscribing to our channel.